Keeping your Ninja Crispi microwave clean helps maintain peak performance and consistent crisping. And daily cleaning is quick and easy. After cooking, unplug the unit and allow it to cool completely. Remove the CleanCrisp glassware and crisper plate before cleaning. For everyday cleaning, wipe the interior walls, door, and control panel with a soft, damp cloth. Use only mild, non-abrasive cleaners as needed. The CleanCrisp glassware is dishwasher safe. Hand wash the crisper plate using warm, soapy water, then allow all parts to dry completely. If you notice leftover splatter or odor, it's time to run the built-in clean cycle. Remove the crisper plate. Add 4 cups of room temperature water to the CleanCrisp glassware and place it into the top position. Press and hold the time button, then turn the dial to select Clean. Press the start dial to begin the clean cycle. The clean cycle runs automatically. When complete, carefully remove the glassware and wipe the interior with a soft sponge. That's it! With daily wipe downs and regular clean cycles, your Crispi microwave stays fresh, clean, and ready to crisp.